Today I'm going to show you how to install a new head strap on a Fenix HM50R headlamp. In this case, I'm going to use the replacement band, the AFH-02, to do this. When you open up the head strap package, you'll see that you get two straps along with this other head piece. We don't really need this head piece, but I'm going to use it in the demonstration as a replacement for an actual headlamp. So kind of put that down here. That's going to resemble this part of the headlamp. When you open up the headband set, you'll notice you get two head straps. One is a crown strap. The other is a strap that's going to go around your head. You don't need the crown strap, so you can put that aside. When you kind of undo that other strap, you should try to line it up with the writing, in this case Fenix. Put that logo out, and also kind of look to see how it goes around the head strap. Like in this case, if you notice this end, I'm going to match these two ends up here. That means this is going to wrap around this way, and we'll start to put the head strap together. So first thing we need to do is we need to slide the head strap through the headlamp mount. So that's what I'm going to do here. And again, this piece I'm using is just to kind of take the place of if there really was a headlamp here. This is pretty simple. In this case, this is a rubber piece. It slides through pretty easily. And then, kind of position it kind of in the center there. You can see it's starting to take a little bit of shape here. Now, if we look at kind of how things are lining up, it looks like we're going to have to slide through this opening, the other part of the head strap here. So we'll do that by going ahead and just pushing in the bottom of the head strap. In this case, there's a pretty wide opening here. Just kind of push it through. It'll crunch up on the head strap a little bit, but kind of all makes sense. So as you can see now, we have this part of the head strap looking like it should. Now the next is we need to finish up this part as it goes through this connection. So all we have to do now is just kind of pinch this together a little bit and slide it through that slot in the opening here. Got to pull it through. You have to do a little bit of scrunching of the material, but it's pretty easy. And there you have it. So now we can adjust this out, and it pretty much looks like the head strap that's there. And then you can go ahead and start to use it.